Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Hazeeq, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Moonriver. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. If you haven't seen the previous update, it's going to be linked in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now let's jump straight into the TA. Taking a look at the Fibonacci retracement we have here on the daily chart that is set up from the swing high in February 2023 down to the swing low in January 2023, you can see that we perfectly held the 1.414 level at $4.70. We had a massive wick to the downside below the 1.618, so arguably the technical target was met on this Fibonacci retracement. If you had some buy limit orders set up at around about $4.11, you would have been filled already, and we have been talking about these levels for quite a while now. So from this bottom here, from this wick all the way to where we are right now, that's a 48% move to the upside. So you could have had a nice impulsive move to the upside here. Zooming in on the daily, you can see we have a descending resistance trend line that has been holding us down since May, and we keep running into it, and it looks like we are about to run into it one more time. Now we also have a horizontal support at $6.12.5. That is also going to be an issue for us. The positive thing is that we're holding the 20 MA as support, but we are unable to break above the 55. So what I'm looking for here is another bounce off the 20. We refuel, so to speak, off of the 20, and then we have the next move to the upside. Hopefully we break above both resistance trend lines and we have a nice back test of support. We can just back test them both at the same time. And then we can obviously start targeting $7.05 and the large diagonal descending resistance trend line that you have over here that we've been hitting since February 2023, and then we had another bounce in April, and after that we just went down. So 1.414 level held. We are retesting the first fib level here as well at $6.13. Keep in mind this was a major support level in May. Actually twice in May we had a bounce off that level, and in January 2023. So losing this level in June was very bearish. We're coming up to back test it as resistance, which is technically what you usually do with a level that has been lost. So there is also a pretty good chance that we're going to be running into resistance here and getting our ass back down. Potentially, we are going to be printing a higher low. So hopefully $5.14.5 can hold us as support. If that happens, that's perfect. A double bottom pattern would also be appreciated if you want to retrace back down to $4.69. But losing this low would be negative. We don't want to be losing this low. If we do, $4.11 and $3.93 are going to be your massive support levels here based on this Fibonacci retracement. Overall, if you don't have a position in Moonriver, I would say now is the time to be accumulating and sending your tokens into staking. The daily RSI has been pumping quite a bit. We entered the support block that we had on the chart for many months, and we've been retesting this support block since June 2022. We had 5 retests, 6 retests, and then a fake out below here in June just last month. And from there we obviously had that massive move to the upside, 40 or 50%, I think it was to the upside from the local bottom here. So from that bottom there we did approximately 58%. Yeah. So that covers it for the daily chart. Let's switch over to the weekly. And before we continue with the video, I quickly want to mention my Patreon that's linked down below in the description. If you enjoy my content, you want to get more exclusive content, and you want to support me at the same time, definitely feel free to check out the Patreon, because you're going to get a 7-day free access on my Patreon and an instant access to all of my content since October 2021, which is when I started. You'll get access to content like exclusive weekly podcasts, and we're starting to invite guests already. We have 40 plus low cap gem posts. We have a bunch of project reviews. We have a bunch of resources that are going to help you save time and make more money with this upcoming bull market. So this is definitely a great exchange of value for the both of us. And once again, there's a 7-day free trial. Feel free to check it out. You can leave anytime, and let's continue with the video. Taking a look at the weekly chart, we have the exact same Fibonacci retracement set up on the weekly. $4.85 held us as support. you can see we have a massive resistance level above us that we have been bouncing off of since August last year. So if we are able to break above this resistance trend line, that would be a massive bullish indicator, but we need the volume indicator to come into play because we literally don't have any volume on the weekly right now. So we need the volume candles to start coming in for us to be sure that, or to at least be positive that the breakout is not a fake out. So there's a lot of resistance between $6.95 and down to $6.15. If we're able to break above that little area there, I think we could be looking at a massive impulsive move to the upside here. Maybe we could even retest $11. A retracement back to that local resistance level would be incredible. You can see that's a massive resistance level that we've been holding since October 2022. So we haven't really been able to break above that. If we do, that would be even better. Obviously, after that, the next target would be the August 2022 high. As of right now, good for buying in, good for dollar cost averaging. RSI extremely low. We did dip below the local low that we printed in December, so we dipped below that, but we saw a massive move to the upside. Like I said, 58% during a bear market. That is a lot of gains there. So thank you all for watching this video. If I missed out anything important on the charts, please let me know down below in the comment section. Hopefully you learned something useful, and I'm going to see you in the next update. Take care and goodbye.